Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Elimination Method worksheets. So this video presents a worksheet on solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. So there are 6 examples here for you to look at. Now if you're not sure how to proceed, at the end of this video there is a link, and if you click on that link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how each of these examples are done. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the next slide. Now the beauty of the next slide is it contains all the answers, but I'm leaving it to you first to try and solve these before you have a look at the answers. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide. Now you remember you can pause this slide for as long as you like. So here is the next slide. So here are the answers to the previous slide, and you'll be able to check how you went. I'll leave this slide on for about a minute or so before I move on to the last slide. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.